So the first phrasal verb is number one. I see this every single day in my research. Walk through. Now, the definition or the idea of walk through is to explain or instruct step by step. Now, if you work in IT, then you know that almost every day it's about complicated ideas, complicated topics, so that you need to explain things slowly all the time. Now, I want to talk a little bit about this word through. So we have a strange pronunciation. Pronunciation is through. Through means going really from like one side to another or finishing something. To be through with something is to finish something. But two simple examples here are to go through a tunnel. You have a tunnel, you have one side, the other side, go through a tunnel. To walk through the park. Again, it's the idea to go from one side to another side. Now, that's just the basic meaning of the word through. Now, with the pronunciation, it's kind of interesting because if you see this image here, you see the boy, you see the action he is doing, which is about this, like to throw. So throw in present, and then the past tense of throw is I threw, through. And that's the exact same pronunciation of the word through. I know you can see a GH, but it's silent, okay? And the TH at the beginning is like a letting out air. Through, okay? So two important points. Pronunciation is through, and it means to go from one side to another in basic terms. Now, context in software engineering, when you're walking through code or algorithms with team members, right? Conducting walkthroughs of software functionalities with clients or stakeholders. So this is an interesting part where a walkthrough can also be a noun. A walkthrough means a slow step-by-step explanation. Reviewing project plans or designs in detail, performing walkthroughs for troubleshooting or debugging. All of this is about explaining step by step, okay? So, my slides are not working so well, right? But when we look at using this in a sentence, to walk me through the problem, like, can you walk me through the problem? Can someone walk me through the product? Can the team walk me through the bug, right? So we have some more examples. Here are some simple questions that you can ask with this expression walk through, right? Can you walk me through the new user stories, which is the exact same as can you explain step by step the user stories? Can someone walk me through the automated testing process? Or could you walk the team through the main points of the feedback from the stakeholders? So this is an idea for you to start using this expression now, really. Start to understand, can you walk me through, okay? So an example from a lead developer would be, let's walk through the new feature implementation during today's meeting. A QA engineer, in yesterday's session, we walked through the testing protocol. Now listen very carefully to the pronunciation. Walked in the past, okay? So you say, we walked. I know you can see a D, but it's actually pronunciation of a T, okay? We walked through the testing protocol. Another example would be a Scrum Master saying, tomorrow we'll walk through the sprint backlog together, okay? Now, just some quick examples for you to leave a comment in later on when you're watching this later, because no one's watching this live, all right? Can you walk through the beep so we all understand it better? This is an example phrase for you to start to use. Let's walk through the steps involved in deploying the new functionality, the new database, whatever. Or I need someone to walk through how the beep works, how the testing process works, how the debugging process works, right? So that's what it means to say to walk through. Can you walk me through? Okay. Now, just need a second for a drink. This is thirsty work.